Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux Beta on your Chromebook. This gives you a Debian container to run desktop apps. Once enabled, open the terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y so libraries are current. Next, download the Visual Studio Code. Deb that matches your CPU architecture. Make sure to note the download path, then navigate there in terminal so you can install the package in the next step. With the deb in your Linux container, install using sudo apt install /code*, deb which also resolves dependencies. Once installed, launch code and install essential extensions for your workflow, for example Python, EaseLint, and a live reload tool. Configure settings like terminal, integrated, shell, Linux if needed, and give VS Code permission to access Chrome files. Use the Files app, right-click a folder. Select Share with Linux so your projects are visible. This step wires the editor to your Chromebook file system. Now open Visual Studio Code from your Linux apps. Once it launches, create a quick test file and run or debug to confirm everything works. Pin the app to your shelf for immediate access. If you encounter problems, make sure the Linux container has enough storage and that you downloaded the correct architecture build. If installation errors occur, run sudo apt fix broken install and then retry installation. If VS Code won't start,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.